In this video, I'll show you how to watch NBC live on Firestick. I will also show a picture of my dog at the end. Step 1. Install the NBC app. On Firestick Home, select Find, then search and enter NBC and select the NBC app. Install the app, launch it and log in with a participating TV provider account. Access live NBC local content news and select episodes. Or use the Peacock app for NBC. Search for Peacock in the Amazon App Store, install the app and sign up or log in. Peacock plan includes NBC local channel and live events with a paid subscription. Step 3. Use YouTube TV, Hulu Live, Fubo TV or Sling. Download the app for YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, Fubo TV or Sling Blue from the Firestick App Store. Subscribe and sign in. Navigate to NBC Live in the app's channel guide. Step 4. Set up an antenna and TV tuner. Connect a TV antenna to a Fire TV Recast or HD Home Run box. Set up the tuner for Firestick on the same Wi-Fi network. Then scan for channels and watch NBC Live in the Fire TV Live section. Step 5. Explore free NBC News apps. You can install NBC News or News On apps for free live NBC national news streams. Exact local station availability may vary by region. And that is how you watch NBC Live on your Firestick. And here is a nice picture of my dog because you made it till the end. Do you like him? Do you find him cute? I do. Thanks for watching. I hope I solved your problem. Now subscribe.